Hey friends, welcome back to Llama Mama Kayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla, and I'm so happy to be here today with you, and I appreciate you stopping by for a visit. So it's Friday, yay, we made it to Friday. Okay, we all know that doesn't really mean anything for me. Okay, but anyway, we're to the weekend, so Big Daddy's off this weekend. I hope he is. He should be. He hasn't mentioned that he's working Saturday or Sunday, but anyway, sometimes when they have to train new people, he has to go in and do that on the weekends, but I don't think he's doing that this weekend. And we don't have any plans, but I don't know. Maybe we can do something. Who knows? We do need to buy groceries. Big Daddy, well, we have not bought groceries in 4 weeks. Yeah, 4 weeks. So we've been kind of scrounging. We've been kind of scrounging, like we have one of this or one of that, and we're like, okay, do you want this or this? Because we both can't have the same. But anyway, yeah, but not buying groceries in 4 weeks, we get really, really low and start having to just dig through the stuff, that's been there and we don't really want. But anyway, you know how that is. So Big Daddy told me this morning, he said, I want you to make a Walmart list of what we need. So I did that for him. I made my Walmart list and I wrote down what we need. So we need everything. It would be easier to make a list of things we don't need, okay? Yes, I could make a list of things we don't need. Yeah. Anyway, so oh, Phoebe has to come running because, you forgot me, Mama. You forgot me. And then here comes Ginger. Now y'all see Phoebe's real attitude. She don't want Ginger coming over here getting petted. You don't want Ginger to get any of your lovins? She's very, very jealous. I mean, she's even jealous of Big Daddy or my kids. She just gets really jealous. Don't you, baby? Okay, so today I'm doing a video about Yarn Fairy Friday. Our friend Nova at Nova Gnome Creations, she jumped in and was trying to, do some things for our friend Crystal, who I'll mention in just a moment. But she, wanted to. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. I'm sorry. She's sleepy, and I don't know why she just don't go get in her puppy bed. Why don't you get in your puppy bed? Go night-night. Huh? Go night-night in your puppy bed? Okay, can you go get in your puppy bed? I think she'll be satisfied. She just wants me to hold her a minute. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, so Nova Gnome Creations. My sweet friend Nova, she jumped on and trying to, get up some little amigurumi things to send to Crystal, who wants to be a yarn fairy for her grandchildren's trunk or treat while she is visiting them. And so Nova thought it would be a good idea that we could have Yarn Fairy Friday. And that way we could show or tell about anything that we know of, to make or, whatever. And you can share in the comments what you've made or, tell us where to go and get little amigurumi patterns. Tell us, some patterns or YouTube channels or whatever like that. So that's what today is about. It just took a long time to get here. Yarn Fairy Friday. Okay, so what is going on? Okay, Crystal at Chronically Crocheting, she had a dream of being a yarn fairy for her grandchildren's trunk or treat at the end of October. And Crystal has this costume all, she thought of this great costume, and she was thinking, it would be really cool if she was a fairy and had this wand, and she had a little bag. I hope she has a big bag. She had a bag of amigurumis, and she could take her wand and just, like that, and pull out a little amigurumi and give to the children. And I think that's just an adorable idea. And I can just see Crystal is going to be the cutest fairy ever. And so I wanted that dream to come true for Crystal, but because she is sick, I knew she wasn't going to be able to crochet up a bunch of little amigurumis like that. And so I came on YouTube asking my friends if they would mind helping Crystal out and let's bless her with some small amigurumis. And I was just blown away at everyone's love. Y'all are the best. I'm telling you, y'all are the best. I was just blown away that everyone was just jumping on board. Yes, 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 Now, I know that some people live outside the United States and shipping is high, and we totally get that, trust me. And then there's other people who are, chronically ill themselves and they know they can't do it, and that's perfectly fine. I understand that. Crystal for sure understands that too. And then we have some yarn friends, that they're just not going to be able to make it to the post office. So they're not going to participate in that. And that is very understandable too, because I don't know how I'm getting to the post office either. Somehow I'm going to get there, but I don't know yet. But anyway, so I understand that, getting to the post office is difficult. Shipping's expensive. And also, some people are just health-wise can't get around to it. That is fine and dandy. We still love you very, very much. Just cheer us all, the rest of us on, okay? Just encourage the rest of us. So, saying all that to say, I committed to making 5 things. Okay, I knew I was going to make more than that. But I didn't want to publicly overcommit myself because, I already have a lot going on. And I didn't want to overcommit myself, but I have made some things, and I hope to continue to make a few things before I ship this package off. And our packages do need to be mailed the 1st of October, no later than the 1st of October, because Crystal will be leaving to go to her grandchildren mid-October. And so we have to ship these out and give them plenty of time to reach her so she can take them with her. Right? Okay, so we have to mail packages by October the 1st. Anyway, so I was trying to think of some little things, and I found these little things that I had made, I don't know when, a few months back. And I believe the pattern is Hooked by Robin on YouTube, and I'm going to look that up and link that below. I'm going to leave links in the description box below, okay? So look there for some links. I'm going to link the first video I did about this below. I'm going to link Crystal below. I'll link, any amigurumi patterns that I know and things like that. So, yeah. So anyway, I had made this a couple months ago, and it's just been, actually, I made 3 of them. There's a little purple one, and then here's a pink one, and it's green on the back. The purple was purple on both sides. So I had made these, and then I made them with scrap yarn, and then they got shoved down in my scrap ball bucket. So they were in there. And I saw a couple more things in there too, some flowers. But anyway, these were crammed down in there. And so when I was going through getting out scrap balls of yarn to make things, I saw these and I was like, oh, I can send those to Crystal. So here's 3 things that I'm sending to Crystal. 1, 2, and 3. So those will be going to her. And then, I don't know, I was just trying to think of some little things to do, little fun things, okay? And so I decided that I would just make these little flowers and attach them to barrettes. And I got this package of barrettes at the Dollar Tree, and they just bend like that, so they're real easy. So I just made flowers and hot glued them to the end of these little bendable barrettes. So I made this orange one, white one, orange one, a pink, a purple, another purple, a light purple, a yellow, and a blue. Okay. Oh yeah, I have two more, but Winnie is wearing them. My assistant that helps me out from time to time, Winnie, she is wearing those right now. So I guess I'll be sending those. I don't think Winnie would mind if I send those to Crystal. So those will be going. All right. And then, and I did make a tutorial on how to make the little flower and just showing me gluing them on little Barrettes. So that will be linked below. And I do want to say this. It doesn't matter if Crystal receives 20 of these because she's not giving them all to the same child. She's passing them out, to different children. So it doesn't matter if she receives the same thing over and over. It just means that she'll be able to pass out to more kids. Okay, so then I decided to make some little, I made these and I was like, what can I make, just for boys? Well, this isn't really just for boys. I would have loved this stuff as I was a kid, but it, boys would like this. Girls would too. Some girls. Anyway, so I decided to make some eyeballs and I did do a little tutorial. It's real short and simple. I will link it below. And, so I made a green eye, a green eye and a blue eye, another blue eye, but a different shade of blue. And then I made a brown eye. So these little eyeballs, these would be so cute to like put in a jar. And I loom knitted eyeballs before and had them in a jar. And I don't know what happened to it, but it might be in fall decorations or some box or something. But I did put all these in a jar one time and had a little decoration there. I like weird things. But anyway, the little tutorial for this is real simple, fast. Okay, and then today I did another little tutorial and I have these little bitty coffee cups. These would be so cute to send to Crystal because she can even pass these out to adults or children, whoever. So here is the little coffee cups here. I made 4 of them. So that's what I have so far that I will be sending to Crystal. And I'm sure I'll make some more things here, in the next few weeks. and we'll see. But anyway, guys, I know several of you said y'all were going to participate. If you have thought about little small amigurumis, why don't you tell us in the comments below, like what you found that would be easy for people to make. These are very easy. This is very easy. And these little cups are very easy. And I have tutorials for those that I will link below. They're on my channel. But yeah, there's just, there's so much little small things out there that we can make. And that's what we're looking for is tiny amigurumis. Not big stuffies, not stuffed animals. Just tiny little things that would probably fit in your hand, Like this is probably the max that I would make something as big as. Because, first off, Crystal's got to pack these to take with her as she leaves. I guess she's flying. I don't know. And also, she's gonna have a bag, and that's why I said I hope she has a big bag. She's planning on having like a crossbody messenger bag and have all a bunch of little amigurumis. So she could probably like it's a trunk or treat. So she could probably fill her bag and then have a more in the vehicle, and as she runs out, replenish her bag or whatever. So that just sounds fun, and I'm excited for Crystal, and I'm excited that so many of my yarn friends want to help Crystal out and plan on blessing her and helping her little dream of being a yarn fairy come true. I know that is going to be so exciting, and I'm excited for her. And I'm just as equally excited to know that I have such loving friends out there, okay? That's very exciting. So anyway, guys, yeah, I'm going to look through and see what other things that we need from Walmart that I might not remember. But basically, we need everything. So I'm going to go through the bathroom and check shampoo and stuff like that, see what we need. And I don't know if we're going to Walmart tonight or tomorrow, but yeah. And I don't know if I'm doing an online order or a pickup order. I know one thing: I'm not getting my milk on a online pickup order because the last several times I've gotten milk, and I always get 2 gallons. Well, the expiration date was like 2 days away. Yeah, we're not going to drink 2 gallons of milk in 2 days. And I do not drink milk if it's on the expiration date or the day after. I'm not drinking it. I cannot do it. I can't drink milk if it's like, say it's 5 days to the expiration date, but if it smells off in the tiniest bit, I cannot drink it. I will open another gallon of milk and leave that gallon of milk for Big Daddy, and then he's like, "You're wasting milk." And I'm like, "No, I'm not. You're gonna drink it, but I'm not throwing it away. You're still gonna drink it. I'm just drinking out of the fresher one." I'm very, very picky about that. I do not drink white milk. I have never drank white milk in my life. I drink chocolate milk. I'm a chocolate milk girl. I grew up on chocolate milk, and I'm still living on chocolate milk. Anyway, guys, okay, I'm going to let you all get going so you can go start crocheting some little cups or eyeballs. Okay? Oh, look, here, you could even have an eyeball in a cup. Bye, friends. I will see you all again this weekend. Have fun.